And turn the car on. Yeah, so we got a lot of things going on here, and like I said, we'll be installing this, and then we'll be installing this right here. I'm gonna go ahead and take the intake off so that I can have just some good space to actually get in there and remove those. I mean, I could remove it like that, but you know, I just don't. If it can be removed, you know, why not? And I got a cordless ratchet wrench, so we'll be putting it to use, and we'll be it's going to be like an unboxing and a review at the same time. We're going to go ahead and open it. Okay guys, so this is the Shield Pro. So this is the Shield Pro. Let's go ahead and put that here, and it comes neatly packed. So this is what you get when you buy this, and I will leave the link down below. And it comes in a neat little case, as you can see here. Okay guys, so here we have the Shield Pro ratchet. Let's go ahead and open it. And don't mind this bleach bottle. So let's go ahead and see what's included with this. It is a cordless ratchet spanner, and here's the instructions. That's what you get with your Shield Pro cordless ratchet. You get the 12-volt battery, and you get another 12-volt battery, so that's two batteries, and then you get your charger here, as you can see, and of course your ratchet. And then as well as you have some included with this cordless ratchet, you get some sockets. And there, it's a 15mm socket, and then of course you can see it would go down 13, 15, 18, 12, 10, and we have this little guy here too, and the extension. So that's pretty cool that you get all this included with this set. So it's not like you're only buying the cordless ratchet, and you also get a little bit of extras with it. So let's go ahead and see if it has maybe some battery, and then we could try it out. Just like that. Okay. Now let's go ahead and see if it has battery. So it's working, and it also includes an LED light on it. So that's pretty cool. So they do come with some charge, and we're gonna go ahead and try them right now, and we're gonna do an install. All right guys, so we're back out here, and we got the Shield Pro electric ratchet here, ready to do some work. And we're gonna go ahead and use this adapter. The half adapter is the 8mm, and just need to switch it. So in order to switch it, you just turn this to put the camera down, because it's hard to do it with one hand. So okay, so when you're going to do this, it is recommended not to open this overflow tank, and you know, then you can go ahead and undo these. Okay, that's one down, and just put the other one. From here, we go ahead and open our Mishimoto thermostat. So here you have it. This is it. And I think this was a 160 degree. So once you got those bolts off, you just go ahead and remove this. It's gonna drop a little bit, so don't be afraid of there. And as you can see here, it has a gasket. So once you take off this stock one, comparison, this one says 188 degrees Fahrenheit, this one says 71 degrees, so you can kind of see it there. 71 degrees Celsius. This one says the 188 Fahrenheit Motorcraft. This is the stock one, and then this is the Mishimoto one. So let's go ahead and put this one in there, and it's gonna go like this, but I'm gonna have to put the camera down real quick so that I can go ahead and put it like that. Now you can go ahead and put your bolts in. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of start them off a little bit. We'll get it going. Once you got them started off, I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, tighten them up a little bit, and then I'll keep filming. This is so hard to film with one hand, you know, and yeah, you guys know what I'm saying. Okay, there you go. So we got them tightened up. We got that tightened up. Just remember, when you get that gasket, I mean, just remember when you're taking it apart, don't drop the gasket, because then you're gonna have to be fishing for it. And then, since you will lose a little bit of coolant, overflow tank, I'm sorry, and you know, even you need to add some, go ahead, but you're not gonna like lose a lot of coolant. So yeah, that's pretty much for this install, guys. And right now what we're gonna do is just, I'm gonna make sure that they're tight enough, and then we're gonna go inside and turn the car on. Now after that, you guys can go ahead and put your clamp in here. So there you have it. And once that's on, you got your intake back on, everything's good to go. We can go ahead and try the car out, and that's what we're gonna do next. Go ahead and turn the car on. You're gonna look at the gauge mode. Water's still cold. Inlet temp is at 93. Just be sure you're looking at your temps to see that everything's normal. And it's actually, I'm gonna post a pic of the temperature out here. It's actually like it feels 86 with a crazy amount of humidity. The head temp is barely 136. It's climbing a little bit. And we got our cold temperature. I mean, our car, it's taking a while to warm up, when usually it would already be like in the middle. So there you guys can see like the big difference here. And as you can see, the car's barely climbing up on temperatures, and it's measuring 93 right now for the inlet temp. But I mean, look at that, guys. Right now it already is making a big difference. By now it should have already been in the, as you can see there, in the middle. So right here, you guys can see there, it says still 93, 149 head temp. So we're gonna try to test it out tomorrow, and this video will continue till tomorrow. So we're gonna go ahead and do that and see how far the temps climb. Everything seems normal right now. The car's running good. I decided to do it right now, that way we'll run the car tomorrow and try it out. So there you go. Ladies and gentlemen, is the review of the Shield Pro Ratchet. If you guys liked, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button for more videos like this, or just, you know, regular videos or just the usual videos that I have on the channel. So thank you all for stopping by. Hope you all have a good one.